Hi friends, thanks for supporting our community. I'm going to be making a video intro here. Let's get to work on this right away. The first thing I'm going to do is bring in our background video. Let's have a look at it now. I'll show you what it looks like. This is really awesome and I like it. Okay, this is for a news broadcast that I'm going to be making. There's a lot of news that isn't covered out there that I think deserves a lot more attention. Anyway, let's just grab our character here. I'm going to use a G2 character, and the character is here. And we're going to characters, and Dan the man here, and here he is. So he'll come out in a few seconds here. He's a G2 character. He takes a little bit longer to load because there's a lot more angles. And there we go. He's the perfect size. We'll put him down here. Now we need to give him some animation. We'll just click off him. And we're going to Animation tab. And we're going to look for Motion. And we're going to go down here. And you can see G2 characters, 3D motions. And I just want him to idle here for a minute. So the first thing I'll do is look for something that's suitable. And it doesn't look like there's much here. Here's idle pose. I don't like these here. Let's just go back and find some more. Let's find talk. And we'll look at this one here. Looks like normal. So we'll just have him stand here. Click on our character and give him some animation. And that looks okay, and then we'll have him present. And just keep clicking. And there we go, that's almost perfect. So I'm going to go back into the timeline here and just take it back a few keyframes until those red letters disappear. And then it's finished. So there we go, and that's the end of it. So now I need to go down here and I need to put it to the exact keyframe, which is 299. Go back here, press 299, click OK, and let's have a look. And we'll just click stop. Now I'm thinking about I'm going to give him a newsstand so he can put his notes on. I don't really think it's necessary. This is part of the package that I've been working with. I purchased this online, really good. I'm happy with the artwork, and it resizes it for me. And we'll just quickly resize this. Just grab it here and shrink it to the size I want it to be, and maybe just scale it down just a little bit. And it looks like he's too small. Maybe I'll just make this a little smaller and then make him a little bigger and send him to the back a little more so he doesn't go in front of it and it doesn't look like it's wide enough. So just go here and just scale it out a little bit and move it here. And let's have a look at this animation now. And then we're all finished. Anyway, I thought I'd show you how to make an intro with video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you all later. Take care of yourselves and family. Bye-bye.